Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, the highest chief chef, Chef Spanner, has finished cooking. Now, just let me manage this small one, this small rice. You can see how small it is. Maybe say go belly for me, but let me just eat. You can see. So, what I'm trying to tell you people is this, because Nigerian welfare, they are looking for me so that I can be cooking for them. Stop seeing me as if I come and ask food with the lack food with the finish or no, not lie. I don't do that. You can see how small this one is. It's too small. You understand? Now, if I want to eat, at least I eat from half bag of rice. You understand? From half bag. I know that yes, I have tried. But if I eat like from one bag of rice, or if na fufu, you know, say na shut down. So let us eat. I want to invite you guys to come and eat. You can see they even write my name join there, Spanner. That is Chef Spanner. And the highest cook, Chicken Republic, they beg me sis. I know if you just walk out like this now pass for Chicken Republic without them asking me. I beg. Just come point hand for waiting to go pour for soup or all these things. As a chief chef, where I be, Chef Spanner. So as I'm eating this, I believe you'll be testing it. You'll be as in the test gonna enter your mouth. Let me start from S, from Spanner.
Hey!
That didn't be like good food though. The spoon is not working.
Hey! Why don't we show us all?
Short corner it is. Well, getting on a better clearance than that. Very alert defending to put a stop to the chance. Mbappe, and he's broken free.
One ball now.
Any goalkeeper.
Hey!
Vinicius Junior.
Hey, look at
And that's not what you want to be doing. You've already been booked.
Good food is good food.
God of vengeance, take me. Baby, give me
Good food
small,
is
very
good
small.
food.
And with that, they've quartered the opportunity.
God of vengeance,
Yeah.
take me.
Good food is good food.
My bad.
If you cook well, you chop well. That's why some people get well for their house. And some people say me I get well for my body. Some people say me I get well for my belly. Because I'm eating well. Yes. If you chop well, if you chop well, now will get well. If you not get well, now get bone hole. Or
Baby, I said she give me small.
The crowd encouraging him to not get out of there.
book me now, let me come and cook for you. Book me now, let me come and cook for you.
Absolutely cruising.
You need to test the food I cooked. Or cooked. Join them together, whether cooked or cooker. Or join.
Yeah. Penalty.
Not so fast. The referee says penalty. And maybe
Me wake up and say, it is with me here.
it's a sending off too.
I just go.
I'm not quite so sure.
Carry your baby, bro.
Hey, my boy, yo. Stop it. What was that?
So, I want to relax my mind and eat this food so that it will digest well. Thank you for watching. Please Don't forget to share, subscribe. I beg. Knock your neighbor. Video shots, you knock your neighbor. Knock any of your friends gates. Tell them, bring your phone, enter Facebook, search for Spanner. Make them follow me. I need followers. I beg. Thank you, one love. I love you all. Shalom.